be a... Oh, what is it, Sam?
What is it?
George.
George? It's George?
Cool, you like George.
Alright, you're getting it. You almost got it.
George.
Yeah, open George up.
Say thank you, Grandma. Can you say thank you? Sammy, can you say thank you? What about this one? Last one. Sammy, look. Right here. Last one. What is it? Open it up.